Okay, February the 8th, 2024. We are going to check the temperature of the heat coming out down here at the vents. Right now our temperature is showing about 70 to almost 80 degrees. And I think it down here at the floor, it started off a while ago at 60. I think it's going to end up around 118, but we'll see. It was 118 the other day coming out down there. So this, the temperature control valve was the problem. We got it replaced, and we will see what the temperature is here once the thermometer settles down. Okay, here at the Home Depot in Athens, Georgia, we just pulled in, and let's check the temperature. We have a humidity of what, 20? The temperature is all the way up to 119 degrees. What is coming out down here at the bottom of the floor. So our heat is back to where it's supposed to be after about a 2-month hiatus.